Here is some things you need to look out for on your Decramastic roof. Did you spot that overhanging trees? Most leaks on Decramastic roofs are caused by loose nails. When you see loose nails on your roof, it's time to re-nail it and seal it again. Mostly we find the last row of nails always comes loose. Also check the dents on your roof. It can cause the water to pile up in puddles and seep into your roof. Also check out for rusted spots on your roof. Rusted places can turn into holes and cause leak damage to your property. Untreated moss can also cause damage to your roof. Call us today if you need me to have a look at your Decramastic roof. We can do leak repairs, dent removal, moss treatment, renailing of screws and rust treatment. Also painting. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.
Roofing is fun. Na 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 na. Roofing is fun.
At Wayne's Roofing, we work hard to provide you with the high-quality service you need at a price you can afford. Our team of experts can help you with residential and commercial roofs and repair, and we're also available for emergency service in case you need us outside of normal business hours. Let us get to work for you. Call us today.
Roofing is fun.